Here we have a thermometer. A thermometer is used to measure temperature. It has a bulb at the bottom where you place it in the object you wish to read the temperature from, and as that bulb heats up, it's full of a liquid which will rise up the thermometer and can then be read on the scale printed on the side of the thermometer. You can see there's a black line through the middle. Now then, what we're going to be doing is trying to use this thermometer accurately to measure temperature. So, firstly, we need to know what the scale represents. And as you look on this thermometer, you can see there are 10 small lines between the number 50 and the number 60. That means that each small line is worth 1 degree Celsius. What I'm going to be doing first is holding it up so that we can try to measure the temperature of the room. If I hold this up here, you should be able to see where the black line goes up to through the middle of the thermometer. I would like you to write down that temperature in your books now. What we're going to be doing next is I'm going to be placing my hand around the bulb at the bottom of the thermometer, and we are going to try to measure my body temperature on the thermometer. So I'm holding it now, and you should notice that the thread in the center of the thermometer there is rising. What we're going to try to do is find out what temperature it rises up to, and that should be the reading of my body temperature. So I'll hold on to it until the thread stops rising. I'll fast forward the video so you can see that in action. And there we go. The temperature has stopped rising. What I'd like you to do is write down the temperature of my hand now. Now, human body temperature should be 37 degrees Celsius. Do you think my reading here on this thermometer is accurate? Why do you think it is or is not accurate? Write your thoughts down on your sheet. Well, what I can tell you is, this is not an accurate reading of human body temperature. It's gone up to 33.5 degrees, but if you'd wrote 33 or 34, I would have found that acceptable. Why did it not go any higher? Well, it should reach 37. The reason it didn't get that high is, I'm holding it in my hand. My hand is an extremity of my body, and they generally have a lower temperature than my core body temperature, which is at 37 degrees. So that's the main reason. Oftentimes when you're actually reading the temperature of a person, the doctor will make you put the thermometer in your mouth, under your tongue, and this will give you a better reading.